So next thing, make a study interest. Hello Escapades, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha and you're watching Escapade with Sneha. So guys, before starting this video, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, that channel, my personal channel as well. So also small disclaimer, I would be just posting 2 videos per week because my exams are also on the edge. So if you want me to post videos, if you want me to dedicate videos to a certain topic, you can comment down below. I would be making videos on that. And also guys, now let's get started with the video. अब हम बात करते हैं कि आज की वीडियो की टॉपिक क्या है. तो आज की वीडियो की टॉपिक ये है कि कैसे हम लॉन्ग आवर्स तक पढ़ सकते हैं, दैट हाउ वी कैन स्टडी फॉर मोर देन 10 आवर्स विदाउट गेटिंग बोर्ड. सो द टाइम वी स्टार्ट स्टडिंग ना, जो हमारा फोकस, डेडिकेशन, मोटिवेशन वाला जो सब होता है ना, धीरे धीरे डिक्लाइन होने लगता है. हम सोचते बहुत है, वी थिंक अ लॉट दैट वी विल स्टडी 10 आवर्स, 12 आवर्स, 15 आवर्स पर डे, बट हो नहीं पाता है. मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम वी गो टू 4 to 5 आवर्स एंड दैट इज़ मी. आई कॉन्ट स्टडी like 10 hours every day. I just lack focus, I lack motivation and I get bored when I study for such long hours. So there are few tips and tricks that I have also applied and these are applied by me, so that's why I'm sharing to you all guys. So these are 100% genuine tricks you can apply to your studies routine. So let's get started with the video. So whenever we think now कि we have to study for 10 hours, so it seems like an unachievable target. 10 hours दिन के सिर्फ पढ़ाई. So the most important thing I would say, I will not mention it first, it is a necessary most necessary thing you should do is that you need to make a to-do list for your day. By making to-do list, you just not only complete your work, but it also makes you efficient. You know what you have to do, when you have to do, how much time you have to dedicate it to that particular task, so you can complete it very much effectively. And it also has a more chance that you will finish all your work you have scheduled for the day. Make sure that you keep checking it and you complete that. For the first thing and the most important thing is that don't study for more than 1 to 2 hours at one go, at one slot. Take at least 15 minutes to half an hour break between 2 hours of study. ठीक है, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर टेकिंग ब्रेक. इससे क्या होगा, माइंड फ्रेश हो जाएगा. एंड डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम एंड बी डिसिप्लिन. लाइक इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 15 minutes, so just take a break of 15 minutes. And what you can do in that time, if you are like there are some things that you love doing, like you love singing, you can sing, you can have a walk, you can go to a terrace, you can see the view, enjoy and come back. You can have a cup of tea, have a cup of coffee, whatever you wish to, but make sure that you are just keeping it to 15 to half an hour, not more than that. So take small breaks between your studies, it helps a lot. Second thing is set achievable targets. Okay, don't say that because we are CS students, we know how vast one chapter is. So don't say that today I will finish 3 chapters, 5 chapters, 7 chapters. Make sure you know yourself very much better. As I always say, you know yourself better, you know yourself the best anyone can know. So what you can do is make sure that you set achievable target for yourselves. Don't set unachievable targets or very high targets. Set a moderate target, not too easy, not too difficult. Set moderate targets, like I will finish 2 chapters, I will complete 1 chapter and I will revise 1 chapter. Likewise you can do that. So the second thing is set achievable targets. Third one is do smart studies. So what do you mean by smart study? कि सिर्फ बिल्कुल कुछ पढ़ना या बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ना. नो, स्मार्ट स्टडी इज़ लाइक कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ. Only study like important part first, like complete your important things first, and then give more time to your important things and less time to least important, like the scoring subject, the scoring chapters, you should study more. Like if IPC, just talking about IPC, it comes to around 10 to 20 marks. So study it very wisely, study it properly and make sure that you know each and every line. The next thing is learn to prioritize. That is, you know yourself well again, that you know which subjects you need to focus more to study. That you always know that what you have to study more and what you have to study less, what you need to focus more. So make sure that you prioritize your timing accordingly and you focus on the things which needs more focus for you. The next thing is make sure to swap subjects after your break. So if you are studying for, just take 1.5 hours and you took a break of 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and now if you will start studying the same chapter again, distraction will start occurring. So make sure that you swap your subject. Like if you are studying company law, you can always connect it with what? SBEC, that is setting up of business entities and its closure. So you can always combine it because they are very much interrelated. So make sure that if you are swapping subjects, they are interconnected. So the most important thing again is create the best focus environment. अगर आपको म्यूजिक सुनने के साथ पढ़ना पसंद है तो आप वहाँ पर हो. अगर आपको लगता है that you study, you are focused more in a complete silent room, make sure that you take a complete silent room. मेरे घर में कभी भी नहीं होता है, तो जब भी मुझे पढ़ना होता है लॉक माई रूम, आई स्टडी. सो एकदम नहीं कि एकदम पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस का आप वेट करते रहो. स्टडी दैट टाइम ओनली व्हेन you feel like it is the most silent time in my room, in my home. Like whenever I make a video, I choose that particular time, and I don't know why the people around me starts feeling happier around that time. जगह आपको चूज़ करना है, तो टाइम में नहीं जाने का, आपको जगह चूज़ करना है, which is the most focused area, or which is the most silent area. Wherever you study, choose the best environment, best place to study. So the next important thing you can do is you can add some fun sessions to your study routine. So what you can do is adding fun session means if you want to talk to a friend with say what aspiration. So if you want to have a talk with your friend, you can have a call, you can talk there, you can discuss topics and you can ask them questions, or you can just say that you can have you completed this chapter, or you can find some common chapters that you all have completed and you can just take quiz accordingly with each other. So that would be a very much interesting thing to do. So the next thing you can do is take nap whenever required. So whenever you feel like बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, now I need to take a rest, you can take a half an hour nap, because it helps you to retain everything and makes you relax and आपका फोकस करने का जो लेवल है वो बढ़ा देता है. एंड ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट यू टेक द स्नैप एवरी टाइम एट द सेम टाइम, सो दैट इट सिंक्स विथ योर टाइम लाइन एंड वट एवर रिदम बन जाएगा कि आपको रोज़ उसी टाइम आपको नींद भी आएगी और आप उतनी देर के लिए सोगे तो आपका टाइम भी वेस्ट नहीं होगा, और कभी भी किसी भी टाइम आप नहीं सोगे, एक आपका टाइम बना रहेगा कि इस टाइम यू हैव टू स्लीप. So the next thing is do active study and not passive study. I believe in that. Active study मतलब कि एक्टिवली आप पढ़ो, जितना भी पढ़ो आपको सब याद रहे, सब अच्छे से समझ में आए. वट एवर यू स्टडी यू रिटेन दैट एंड यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड यू कैन राइट दैट एंड यू कैन नेवर फॉरगेट दैट. सो स्टडी एक्टिवली एंड नॉट पैसिवली. पैसिवली मीन्स स्टडिंग फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स, एंड लॉन्ग आवर्स व्हेन यू स्टडी फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स ना, यू डोंट टेक अवे फ्रॉम दैट सेशंस ज़्यादा. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू स्टडी एक्टिवली एंड नॉट पैसिवली. जस्ट सिर्फ पढ़ने से अच्छा कि आप जितना पढ़ो आप वो हमेशा याद रखो. So next thing, make a study interesting. How you can make a study interesting? Okay, you can always use good stationaries. उससे क्या होगा ना, आपका मन बहला रहेगा, आपको पढ़ने में अच्छा लगेगा, पढ़ने में मज़ा भी आएगा. तो आपका अच्छे से स्टेशनरी यूज़ करो, स्टिकी नोट्स यूज़ करो, स्टिक करो उसको, और थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाओ अपनी स्टडीज़ को. ओके, उससे क्या होगा कि आपको नोट्स भी बनते रहेंगे, आपकी नज़रों के सामने आपके स्टिकी नोट्स भी रहेंगे, आपको अच्छे से आप सारा हाईलाइट एंड कलर करके आप नोट्स लिख पाओगे. सो उससे क्या होता है ना, पर्सनली बिलीव आपका उससे फोकस भी बढ़ता है, आपको पढ़ने का मन भी करता है एंड यू फाइंड इट इंटरेस्टिंग. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू मेक योर स्टडी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड नॉट बोरिंग. So hey guys, this was it for the video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, this channel, other channel को भी subscribe करो. And I have uploaded a beautiful videos, एक दो वीडियो डाला है मैंने, प्लीज़ उसको भी जाके चेक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, and make sure that you study. All the best for exams and see you in the next video. Thank you.